back to Camping with the Fellas, day 1.
Welcome back. You pissed me
Actually,
off.
welcome to.
Up here at the campsite, us 3. It's gonna be fire.
Dude!
Why? I like it crispy.
That looks really good.
You wanna try?
No.
You won't eat that. You have to.
You're not gonna eat that.
I'm not gonna let you waste a s'more, so.
That's black as fruit.
But you're not allowed using a s'mores with that. You gotta eat that thing.
No. Shh, you're gonna wake up the neighbors. There's the bear, there's the bear. He doesn't deserve anything. That crunch is disgusting.
You pissed me off. Grab it then.
Dude!
It's gone. No, it's gone.
No, I had
You're actually retarded. You're actually retarded.
I was grabbing it!
No, you didn't. I literally said it's falling.
Look at it. What do I do?
Eat it.
Eat it?
Not that way. Why'd you throw it that way?
I haven't through it. Oh.
Comments in like 5 minutes.
Actually?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
The
You dropped
last
all of them?
second.
What do you mean? You handed it to me and you pinched the middle and it just snapped.
On a scale of 3 to 10.
Solid
1 to
4.
10.
Solid 4? Oh yeah.
Beautiful looking Bitmoji. Brown hair.
I know what you're talking about when this happened. A lot of biggins.
A lot of potential.
Sorry, go ahead.
A lot of potential. Send the first snap. 5'3", 280.
Bowling ball?
Boy.
That's a 7 out of 10 horror
That's a
story.
strike
I'm not
right
gonna
there.
lie. 7 out of 10 horror story. It's terrifying.
You know, like
That's a 10.
Is
That's
that-
the most relatable.
she was a redhead too. Not even brunette. I don't know if you can make your Bitmoji fatter, but do it if you can.
And then Chris came in the room and said that there was a man outside. And Brian got the worst of it. He was outside.
Sorry.
Okay, stop it. Stop it. We're not going to Emily's party. Stop. I'm not doing it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for episode 1 of Camping with the Fellas. We'll catch you tomorrow in the next one.
Well, pumpkins, it's the morning. So freaking cold, but the sun is super bright. Hey! Say good morning to the clan. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It was a pretty chilly night for me. Like, it was fine, but like cold at the same time. Bodie slept amazing. Landon slept warm. It's, what time is it? Doesn't.
Ah, something just dripped on my forehead.
Grasshopper.
What the fudge?
Ladies and gentlemen, we just ate the most beautiful breakfast ever created by Clayton.
Wait for Landon to meet us at the camp, and then we'll go swimming.
The water actually feels kind of warm right now.
So, Dace, you like this view?
Yeah, it's a nice view, dude.
That bug, boy. Oh, help me. That bug. Yeah, that's so nice, boy.
It's a pocket knife, bro.
No, let me bring it up. Video.
Oh my gosh, dude. That thing has been in there forever.
Yeah, we'll go clean that off and take a look at it in a minute. That's actually sick.
Do it, do it. Yeah. Ow! You get cut. Oh!
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Gold Rush.
Do a ghost town, and we're gonna go check out like the gold mines, and we're gonna go gold panning for gold. That's what we're doing. And they were bad. It's like an oven. So yeah, if you ever seen one.
Oh, see, isn't it just been destroyed? And this is where it was. You're gonna get swooped up by this.
Dude, the wind and the rain.
The wind's picking up. The weather's about to get insane. He's not real. You can.
Okay, I'm done. I can't.
Oh, is this gonna give me dents? The tail! Y'all see it bouncing? Shiz, we're cooked.
Years of playing Fortnite, I've only had one gamer girlfriend.
That's crazy.
And after all this time, she hasn't hopped back online in 3 years.
That's terrible.
My journey is done with the fellas. They're driving me an hour back.
That just looks fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, this might be our last day on Earth. This is crazy. Yo. Oh. It's time for you, boy, to leave. Goodbye, my brother.
Roxanne, peace out. Love you.
I should say. Peace out, clan. Alright, we're finally home and time to bring all my crap inside, so